What kind of Lego is it?
Some kind of Carnival abomination.
Who is excited?
Buka this.
Buka. Let's go, buka.
Buka. I'll see from this. It's hard. I don't have nails. They will be scared.
Rodrigo mau masuk?
I just help open.
Okay.
That's inside. Haha, I'm the first one. We're gonna remind us of Haha. Oh! Yes.
What is inside?
Lego. And some instruction guides. There's two. There's three. First. There's three. Let's make the Ferris wheel. Let's make the smaller one first. Okay. Havana. Mau ituin orangnya? Neng, ini beneran stiker. I forgot. Ya, ini bisa nggak bikin tuh? Mana mukanya?
Cih. Sit down dong kayak Mingka. Masa you tinggi sendiri? Nggak kelihatan mukanya.
Next. Where's the face? How do you make it? Ini baju dia. Ini baju dia.
Oh itu bajunya.
Bajunya.
Ini video apaan? Satu orang pingsan.
Very good video. Orang pingsan. 1000k followers now. Mana Max. What are you eating, Max?
Enggak, jatuh ke dalam situ.
Oh no.
Batu anjingnya diikat.
Enggak, dia nggak makan.
Kepalanya kemana? Tahu nggak? Is this the girl one? Where's the face? Is this the girl one? That's the
Yeah,
girl
right.
one. I already make it. The face? Yes. And I think combine the hair with it. Where is it? Right here. I don't know. Oh my god. Where's the boy? The face doesn't want to be with us. Oh my god. Is the face possessed? Do you think he's the...
Ada di kolong kayaknya. Yang tadi dimakan warna oranye ya.
They possess the face? It's a human head that has been dismantled from before. Okay. Ini number 2. I'm just gonna make this one. Lihat deh. Iya, tanya.
Joget. Diapain sama Cece-nya? Cece kok gitu?
Cece-nya emang kayak gitu.
Nah, kan?
Oh, ketemu mukanya. It was hidden all along.
Di mana mukanya?
Nih. Au. Sakit. Tuh. Nih, kasih lihat.
Ivory yang bener aja, masa ditusuk-tusuk adekmu? You're not doing a good video YouTube, masa tusuk-tusuk adek?
That's so clickbait. And then the caption. Tusuk-tusuk anak kecil. Ini orangnya ini. Iya.
You ketemu orangnya, Havana?
No, I ketemu. She's lying. She's a faker.
Oke, Havana bikin dong.
Tuh, yuk kasih lihat kameranya ke sini.
Wow.
You do it like this. That's not how you do it. You will go there. That would be. That's how you do it.
Api.
She wants some fire. She wants to burn down the house. Enggak gitu. Yes. What's the other head? Yeah. I have another. Ow. Hey, ada satu lagi gak? Ini. Emma sih number 2.
Sambil joget, Havana.
Emma. Emma? That's Mia. Oh, Mia. Mia. I don't really remember her. I like remembering her balls. Meh. Meh. Don't. Can you just cut this and like erase me from the video?
Kenapa?
Cut our faces.
Hah? Kenapa, Ivory?
I feel like I'm doing a school video. Just and more personal. New grasshopper.
Oh, Havana lebih suka makanan daripada toys.
My toys are rusak.
Oh, Havana is taking a break. Nyam. Yan.
We're gonna make big ones. Very big ones.
Ego wants to help?
This is done. Where the Legos? I don't know. Which one am I doing? Kita unboxing? No, all of them. I'm already done. Let's do the Ferris wheel now. Okay. Number 4 and number 5. Here's number 4. You have to make number 2 first. Number 4. Put it here.
So this is the one you already made?
Yes.
Beautiful. Let me zoom in. Masak. Apaan? Beautiful. Havana, stop doing it. Sit down.
Ini lollipop Nenek. Hey. Ini lollipop. Ini bohongan. It's yummy lollipop. Hi everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. And this part 2 of our last video because we couldn't finish the Lego yesterday, so we had to finish it today. And Minka mostly did all of the work because I think I did just like this thing.
What about Havana?
Just like the first one.
Havana?
Havana just kept on playing. That's nice.
So what is that?
Nice. So this
Explain.
is Ferris wheel and Mia can interact with this Ferris wheel. You just
Oh, so
but
cool.
sometimes if you spin it too hard, one of them will might off.
Like this.
Yeah, that happened a few days ago.
Yes.
And this is a slide, a very big one. So you go up these stairs like this. This Mia, and then you climb up here. Then you can slide down here, and then when you fall off this one, there's a hole. So that's yeah. And this is Stephanie. She is like a clown juggler thing. She is using bowling pins to juggle. And do you know his name? Okay. This is some dude that we don't know.
You can call him Joko.
Namanya River. Oh, River?
Or-
Oh, is it that dude?
I don't know which dude you're
No.
referring to.
From Netflix.
Who not?
Oh my god.
Havana, do you like it?
So there's like someone, I think River, because Minka says it's River. I'll put
Okay.
it on the box. Yeah, I didn't see it, okay. And this, I think he's probably like selling lollipops. And there's this candy cane thing you can move, but if you move it too far, like to the right, too far.
One of the blocks.
Yeah. And this, the map. This map. There. And I guess that's it. So like, subscribe, share,